up, people? It's your boy again, the Black Cobra, back again with your gadgets, your games, and your gear. We got the Smooth 4. It's by Zhiyun. I'm not sure how it goes, but I know this is the Smooth 4. Now, I don't use a gimbal myself, but maybe this is the one that's gonna get me started, and it might be the one that gets you started using cell phone gimbals. Let's give it a shot. Let's check it out. Let's get on it. Let's get under it. Let's get into it. Let's go. So we're gonna start obviously by opening this bad boy up. So let's take a peek and see what we got here, all right? I like the box, obviously. You know how I am with my tech, my gadgets, my games, and my gear. You know I get excited when it comes to something new. I love new tech. All right, so the box is pretty simple. It shows you what the gimbal looks like on the front, has some good pictures on the back. Let's just pop it open and get right into it, all right? Haha. All right, here we go. Nice. So you can see right inside the way they have it packed. I know you can't quite tell how it feels, but the condensed foam does have a thick feel to it. I'm not sure I'm gonna carry this exact case around, but it is designed so that if that's what you decide to do, you can do that. So we have the gimbal itself, the instructions here. It comes with this nice leg tripod here, three-legged tripod rather, that you can screw right into the bottom, which is one of the key features of this one in comparison to some of the others. Not that it's hard, because you can buy one of these to add to any of the others, but it is nice that they make it, or they include it in the package. And then we have the USB to USB-C cable. And that's all they give you in the package. Very simple, very straightforward. All right, so there you have it. That's everything that's in the box. Let's look at some of the buttons on here. What I like is the lightweight design. And I know, yes, it's a lot in your hand, but for a gimbal that has all the abilities and capabilities of this, I think it feels rather lightweight. It does have a plastic outer shell, so it's not metallic, and you can't tell that obviously from there, but I can tell you that here, the little bit of metallic feel that they have up here is where all the weight is. But the handle, even though it's large in the hand, it does have a comfortable feel. And the fact that it has the triggers on the back makes it easy for you to access. All right, so looking at the front of this, you can see the buttons that we have going on here. They're pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You got the power button. Okay, we have the record button when you want to record video, and we have the camera button when you're utilizing the photos feature. Now, with the updates that they just had, I look forward to trying to test to see, because I guess there was an issue before on it locking on targets and being able to track. I'm hoping that they were able to fix that in the last update for the firmware that they did. They also have the menu button and a display button. Now the wheel also can be utilized. All four corners of it can be utilized. Now we'll go over some of those features so you understand what some of them do. Now the toggle switch that we have just above the power switch allows you to go from lock mode to pan follow. Now pan follow allows you to go side to side, and if you wanted to go into full follow, you could use the trigger. The lower part of the trigger allows you to go into the full follow mode, and then the top part of the trigger here will allow you to go into what they call phone go mode. Now phone go mode allows you to snap quickly from side to side, and it'll allow the camera, it'll allow it to be free enough to go quickly to the next target that you're looking at, or quickly to go back to the other side, no matter which direction you move it quickly in. So that's one of the features that's specific to the Smooth 4. And again, like I said before, you can take this here with the 3 legs, screw it onto the bottom, and it quickly gives you a platform that you can utilize to set up. your Zhiyun Smooth 4. Now, I'm not a person that utilizes gimbals, but I look forward to trying. I look forward to getting into this. Now, I'm gonna take this on an upcoming trip that we have, and I'm hoping that I can utilize this, and this will be my new favorite gadget in capturing video. Now, for this upcoming trip, I'm leaving the DSLR home, and I'm only taking the Zhiyun Smooth 4 and my iPhone 10. I'm gonna utilize that to capture as much as I can. And of course, you gotta have I'll be taking my drone with me and bringing my GoPro to make sure I get some other footage to go along with it. But this is gonna be my primary video tool, I guess you could say. I'm hoping I get a lot of great footage. Now I'll give you some in-depth information as to the specs on this bad boy. All right, let's see if we can start this up, mount the phone, balance it up, see what we get. All right, let's see here. Just try it and see if it would work with this particular case on it, because the case has a little stand built in, so it gives it extra weight, and I don't know that that's gonna work out for us here. Yeah, it's making it a little too thick and a little too heavy, so we're gonna remove the case. Okay, continue that. Let's see, now let's try it. I think that is about as weighted or balanced rather as I'm gonna get it right now. We'll see if that works out. Let's give it a shot. So we will power it on. And then we will jump into the app. You can see I have the app loading up here. Alright. Alright, we'll throw it up on the screen. Okay. We're not publishing anything yet. Connect your device. Device found. We want to connect. Confirm. Smooth 4, born for mobile filmmakers. I like it. All right, so now we have the app queued up. Okay. Oh, it's in the focus mode. Adjusting the focus works. Let's change that. Ha ha ha! The zoom. I love it. Ha. There we go. Perfect. All right. Now we're talking. All right. So, all right, we got this set up. We're gonna go out. We're going to see what footage we can get and see if this is gonna work for us. All right. Let's go. Make our way outside and see what we got. Ooh. Let's go. It's about 5 degrees out here today, and I mean, it's beautiful out here. It's nice to look at. but it's a little cold, so I don't think I'm gonna be out here very long, and I don't think I'm gonna get a whole lot of footage, but just a little. But I do, I like the way it works so far, and I'm enjoying having this. Let's get back to some more footage. Now, I must admit, I had to have picked the worst day to do this in a while. Well, it's just cold. That's all I can say. Oh, well, now we're up to 7 degrees. Ooh, we got a heat wave. This is crazy. Let's go. So one of the things I wanted to clarify from earlier is that target button right there. I don't know that I went over it. At any rate, that's so that when you're utilizing the controls on here, and it's a zoom, as you can see, which I love. That's my favorite feature, by the way. The toggle wheel, the wheel zoom here it's so butter smooth, and it's easy to do. But then if you hit that button, it changes that so you can pull focus. You can pull focus in and out if you want on something that you're dealing with. If you want to blur out and blur in, you can do that. And then you hit the button and it changes back to the zoom. Okay, I really like that. Honestly, it's one of my favorite features, like I just said. I really like time lapse, because I wanted to do time lapse. I mean, I have a tripod. I was gonna do time lapses, and I've only done like 1 or 2, and I don't even think I really use them at all. I just have them somewhere stored on a hard drive somewhere. But this allowed me to make time lapses easy. Not that I picked the greatest locations, because I just wanted to run out real quick and give you an idea of how easy it is. But you can set it and then set waypoints where you want the camera to turn, and it'll smoothly turn from one area to the other and take the time-lapse shots as you want them. And you can also change it so that you can change the location of or where it's turning, or you can go up and down, or you can zoom in and out if you want to on a location. The way that this thing, the versatility that this thing gives you with those options, I think are incredible. Again, I'm just an amateur. I'm just somebody who likes to do these things, so I'm just getting into it, having fun. So if you like it, check it out. The Zhiyun Smooth 4. In case I forgot to mention, make sure you go ahead and like the video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell for when I make new ones. One of the other things I wanted to mention from before, one of my other videos that I did, because I'm utilizing, different things now, trying different things, I recorded the video in 1080p and then I uploaded mistakenly in 4K, so the resolution looks terrible. But that's one of those things that happens. Mistakes are made. Definitely not perfect. Trying to figure this stuff out, just having fun. So again, loving it no matter what. Also, if you like the Zhiyun Smooth 4, I put a link in the description down below. You can get it off of Amazon directly from the link. And yes, the link tells them that you watched my video and that you liked it and that you wanted to purchase it that way. So it gives me a little credit, it helps me out. So if you guys want to go ahead and click that link, Zhiyun Smooth 4, I believe right now it's $139.99, something like that on Amazon. Don't quote me on that because it does fluctuate a little bit. And until next time, gadgets, games, and gear, your boy ThaBlackCobra. Peace.